My silk press was given, when are you gonna reach bra strap length? OMG, like, y'all, hear me out, okay? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, y'all. Look at my hair. This is the healthiest my hair has been in a while. This was March 6, 2022. I did have some breakage, so I had to cut about 3 inches off my hair, and it has grown back so beautifully, and I'm so happy for that. But if you would like to see how I get my silk press at home, and I'm not a professional, just keep on watching because I think I did great. So this is my hair. It is freshly washed, but it was air dried for about 2 days. I'm going to go back in with some conditioner and wash my hair to retain that moisture, and just so my hair isn't all dry trying to blow dry it. This is my hair texture. I do need a slight trim, so disregard my ends, but I just wanted to show you guys how my texture looks with no product in it. I am going to be trying this Cantu Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. I've seen reviews about it. It passed that little Q-tip test. Have y'all seen those on social media? So I was like, okay, let me just try it. I do like to just air dry my hair a little bit first, but make sure it's a little damp so the blow dryer isn't going to dry hair. And I like to section it off for easier maintenance. And I'm going to go through it and wide tooth comb it out, do it in sections, and blow dry on a low setting. I've seen people say that the stretch method is better for blow drying your hair. I just like using the comb attachment for me personally. I do have it on a low setting, so I don't see any problems with it. If you are a curly girl, sometimes stretching using the stretch method and just holding the blow dryer down the length of your hair can help you retain your curls. But I mean, I'm okay with how my hair is, so that's why I use the comb attachment. What do you guys do to blow dry your hair? Let me know down below. Put me on, because you know, I'm just doing what works best for me, but I'm always open to try something new. Once I'm done blow drying, I like to go ahead and part my hair in 3 sections. Those 3 sections are 1 on each side of the front of my face and then 1 section in the back. So those are 3 sections. I like to do this because as I get closer to the front of my face, I like to flat iron basically going straight down towards each ear, but in the back everything's gonna go back, so that's just what makes sense to me. This is my easy hat just to make sure I don't have hair all over the place. Go ahead and put them in some Bantu knots and get them out of the way. Y'all, I just noticed that I needed a trim. That's why I was looking at my ends, but we're gonna do what it do, and I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna get this done. I do believe the blow dry method helps you only to have to need like 1 to 2 passes. Please do not do more than 1 to 2 passes in your hair. That just means you may need a better flat iron. I've learned that the more passes, the more likely for heat damage, and my goal is just to be able to, if not do 1 pass, at least do 2 passes. Now y'all, I cannot tell you the specs of this flat iron. It's not even all that great, okay? I flat iron on a low temperature below 400. I think it was on like 380 something. But yeah, I really need a new flat iron. So if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know down below, because I do need one. She been doing what needs to be done, you know, like she done held it down for me for years. I got it from TJ Maxx, so it is a decent one. But y'all, look at this. I was so happy. Like, do y'all see that? OMG. Once I get to the front, I do small sections, but not micro sections. Like this first one may look small, but my hair is not, my hair is thick, but it's fine. Like, I don't really know if that makes sense. Like, I make sure that I'm not doing too big of a section, but not too small of a section to where it's just so much heat on this little bitty section. Just keep parting your way up to the middle, and you're gonna go from root to tip, and just make sure you're combing it as you go through, just to make sure you don't have nothing in your way. But once you get to that middle, baby, I promise you it feels so good to be almost done with your hair. When I got my hair cut last year, it is kind of naturally growing in like a long bob. My longest part is in the back, but everything just looks so flawless together and seamless. So shout out to my hairstylist. I will be dropping her information, or I do have her information in a older video of when I went to get my hair silk pressed. So please feel free to check that out on my channel. But this is what we're working with. What do you guys think? This was my birthday hair, so I was very happy with the results. I do dye my hair jet black, so I will have a video on my channel soon on how I do that, because I don't know, I just like jet black hair. I've been thinking about coloring it, but we're gonna thug out the black for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to come take off with me, because we're gonna be popping on this journey together. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, beauties.